So today we are going to study power supply. Okay, this is the block diagram of power supply. First we have to know what is AC source and what is DC source. So AC source, it is a source or it is a signal which can vary with respect to time and it is bidirectional. Okay, and this is AC source and this is the DC source, because this source or this signal cannot be vary with respect to time. It is constant always and it is unidirectional. AC source, it is varying with time and it is bidirectional. DC source, it does not vary with time and it is unidirectional. Okay, so AC source is easily available, but most of the electronic devices needs DC source, and for that we have to convert AC source into DC source. For that purpose we have this block diagram where the four blocks are present. First block is transformer, second one is rectifier, third one is filter, and fourth one is voltage regulator. First we'll see transformer. Okay, the input which is given to the transformer, it is AC main, which have 230 volt RMS and frequency is 50 Hz. This is the standard frequency in India, and 230 volt is again it is standard value. Okay, so 230 volt 50 Hz AC main is given to the transformer. Now what is the use of transformer? Transformer is used to change the AC main value or AC main voltage into required value. Okay, क्यों और कैसे? अगर हम लोगों को वोल्टेज लेवल कम है और वो ज्यादा चाहिए तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will use transformer to step up the voltage level. Means there are two types of transformer. First one is step up transformer, which used to increase the voltage level, and next is step down transformer, which is used to step down the voltage level. Means for example, our mobile charger required 5 volt supply, but the supply which is coming to our house is 230 volt. So we have to less the value of this 230 volt voltage. What will we use? We will use step down transformer. Now another example will be CRT. CRT needs more voltage, so we have to increase the value over 230 volt. So which transformer will use? Step up transformer. Okay, so basically transformer is used to change the AC main voltage into required value. Okay, now this is the output waveform of this transformer. Okay, required value is here. Next, this output from transformer is given to the next block, which is rectifier. What the rectifier will do? Rectifier is used to convert the AC voltage into pulsating DC voltage. Rectifier is used to convert the AC voltage into pulsating DC voltage. Here I gave you two waveforms. This is used for full wave rectifier, and this waveform is used from half wave rectifier. Okay, rectifier circuit, there are two types of rectifier. First one is full wave rectifier, second one is half wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier and half wave rectifier, what is the difference in between? Full wave rectifier is used to rectify the waveform fully, and half wave rectifier, it is rectified the signal in the only in one cycle, half cycle. Okay, so what is the use of rectifier? It is used to convert the AC voltage into pulsating DC voltage. Okay, next the circuit which is filter circuit. Filter circuit is used to smoothing out the pulsating DC voltage or AC variation. Okay, this waveform is, there is a variation or there is some noise, so filter is used to remove that noise, to remove this, to remove that variations from the AC voltage, and it will give us a smoothing waveform, smoothing DC voltage. Okay, after that the output of that filter is given to the voltage regulator. Now voltage regulator is used to maintain the constant DC output voltage. Okay, voltage regulator is used to maintain the regulated DC output voltage, that is this waveform. Okay, I again repeat, transformer. It changes AC main voltage to required value. Rectifier. It converts AC voltage into pulsating DC voltage. Filter. It is used for smoothing out the AC variation. Voltage regulator. From rectified AC regulator, it is necessary to maintain the constant output DC voltage. Okay. Now, just take revision. AC main voltage, which is 230 volt RMS and 50 Hz, is given to the transformer block. Transformer, it used to change the AC main voltage to required value. Output of transformer is given to the rectifier, which is used to convert AC voltage into pulsating DC voltage. Output of rectifier is given to the filter, which used to convert the pulsating DC into smoothing waveform, and the output of filter is given to voltage regulator, which is used to maintain the regulated DC output voltage.